Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tanya, but in this video you will see a little bit of a cooking, but I am not stirring the pot, so I'm not going to take the praise for it. All the credit goes out to my wonderful mom, and it's just a quick dinner. And what's your favorite? Is it stewed chicken, brown stew chicken, whatever it is, or curried chicken? But let me tell you something, my mom throws it down, and it was kind of a messy kind of vlog because it was kind of like it wasn't like anything that I said, okay, I'm gonna really record anyway from the start. It's just all over the place, to be honest with you. I don't know what's wrong with me these days, and the camera is not in the right position. Anyway, we've got some seasoning here, we've got some thyme, we've got onion, we've got everything. This is my favorite part of when she's cooking. I love to see the color that goes down in the pot. Like, I just love it. It is so amazing. It's so pretty. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and if you already start engaging with me, thank you so much, honeys and gents. You are super welcome. And listen, once you join my platform, it's a contract forever. It means we're bonding. It means I've welcomed you. It means you're accommodated. It means that I'm gonna provide for you. I'm going to look out for you. Okay, so listen, watch how my mom chef this up, and let me tell you something, the flavor was flavoring. And if you should ask me, where is the end part of the stewed chicken video? I cannot tell you. It happened again where I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording a thing. But anyway, let's move into breakfast. It's going to be fried plantains and liver, but we're making ourselves a nice cup of peppermint tea. I'm a person that really loves fried plantain, and I do love it sandwiched as well with egg and hard-boiled bread. What do you like your fried plantain with? Basically, fried plantain can go with anything anyway. Forgive me for the end part of the stewed chicken video, but there's plenty that you can see on my mom's channel and as well over on her Instagram page. But let's move back into here. So for breakfast, it's going to be fried plantains and liver. And if you ask me what liver this is, I basically double check with the chef because I ate it, but I didn't cross check. But it's beef liver. The beef liver, yeah, I'm sure. Cow liver, whatever. But what's your preference? Is it chicken liver or is it the beef liver? I don't know, you tell me. And what would you rather to have your liver with? Or what would you like to have your plantain with? So if you reach this part in this video and you've enjoyed so far or thus far the little cooking that I showed you that mom did, then leave your thoughts in the comment section. I really appreciate you being here, and honestly, I respect each and every one of you. But let me tell you something, breakfast was breakfasting, and it goes down well with the amazing peppermint tea because it was with love. So basically you can see that dinner and breakfast was super delicious. Honestly, my mom hands, they're truly blessed, and I ate really good over the last couple of days. And if you've enjoyed seeing those videos just now that I put together, just leave a comment and stuff like that. And just a tip for that stewed chicken, let me tell you something, the overnight version is iconic. You just need to get some bananas and boil them and some dumplings, and it goes well with that. Okay, it was good. For those who recently subscribed to my channel and for your continued love and your support, and you tell your friends and your family about my channel, like, I am so thankful for that. I really need to go and close off this video, so I won't be staying long. But just before I go, I want to say I was so elated when I met this wonderful young lady a couple of days ago. She was so kind enough, and sweetie, you know yourself, to tell me that she watched my channel. I mean, she could have seen me and my mom and then basically just don't say anything, but she was so kind enough to pat me and say, hey, you know, I do watch your channel, I do love your content, and yeah, it inspired her. So sweetie, thank you. And on top of that, her bonus is coming to my community post as well, just I think it was yesterday, and just to say to me again that she felt very happy that she met me. So thank you so much, my darling. Like, I really respect you for that. And yeah, I hope that you will continue watching my channel and you will tell your friends and your family the same. And I need to go, but I need to say this again. So my mom, she got a little bit lost yesterday on her journey, or I should say rather we got something mixed up because she got some errands to run. But God is so good and merciful. There was another wonderful lady who was kind enough to basically assisted my mom, because I wasn't there with my mom, so assisted my mom all the way to the place that she's meant to go. Not many people in this world would do that, especially in this day and age, and for that she knows herself too. And I just want to say thank you so much, because I did talk to her on the phone and she took the time out to really follow my mom to the place, and that place is not like it was easy to find. Do you get what I'm trying to say? My mom went into a like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? So for that, I just want to say thank you. There are absolutely amazing people still in this world, and so when we meet them and we come across them, let's just also extend kindness the same, and let's remember them as well in our prayer, in our hearts, and in our mind. Really wanted to read that scripture for you before I left the house, but I just couldn't because time would not permit me. I may do it in another vlog, or if I find time today I will squeeze it in, but I can't guarantee. Or I may close out this vlog and just do it in another one, because it's just too hectic sometimes. But I just wanted to extend my gratitude to those two beautiful ladies and showed you the delicious cooking you know, that I've been having from my mom over the last couple of weeks. So I had to literally cut the recording earlier on because time was really against me and obviously I did not want to miss my train at all. So you could see that was a little bit of what's going on here. But anyway, because I wanted to give you guys the scripture, and I was like, will I be able to give you guys the scripture or whatever? Should I give it to you in another video? But I thought, while I've got the time here, let me do that now. So I have this little book as well. It says God Hears Her. It's like a 365 days devotion, and I have plenty of little books, but sometimes we just get carried away with other things and we don't read it. But it's a very good book, and God is with you. He is for you, and He hears your heart cries. Over and over in the Bible, God heard and responded to the needs of women. So yeah, and then let me get the scripture. Hold on. It's from Deuteronomy 31 verse 6. And it says, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. He will never ever leave you nor forsake you. So I feel so good that I finally get to squeeze in the scripture for you in this vlog. Okay, I really do feel amazed. But anyway, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, for your continued love, your support, and for your engagement. So I'm not going to drag this video any longer, and there's absolutely nothing else to really vlog. And but I just wanted to showcase my mom's talents cooking and how I've been eating, and also to show the gratitude, like I said, towards the young lady that I met, and towards the lady as well that assisted my mom. So we're going to tap out. Remember, be kind, be nice, smile, and assist where you can. Until next time, goodbye, and thanks for watching.